What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make your mouse pointer bigger or smaller on Windows 11. So once you're on your PC guys, all you have to do is simply right click on the Windows logo here on your taskbar and go to settings. Now once you're inside the settings on Windows, all you have to do is click on the Bluetooth and devices on the left hand side, and you want to scroll down and look for mouse. Click there, and from here you want to look for a section where it basically show you that you have, and from here scroll down under the related settings and click on mouse pointer and touch. Now from here you'll see that you have an option says size. Now as you can see, mine is pretty small right now, but if I move this towards the right, you will see the more I move it, the larger my cursor gets. And guess what? Look how cool is that? My mouse cursor is absolutely huge. And what the cool thing about this as well, you can change the color. So if you switch between these different options here, you will see that you have different one. This is like transparent one. And this is, for example, the yellow one, and you can change into more colors and so forth, right? So if you ever want to basically change the size of your mouse, guys, then this is how you can easily go ahead and change that. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple. So I hope you found value here within this video, and if you do, give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. Really appreciate it, guys. And thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one, guys.